Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Earth's Medicine. So we're going to be profiling the Jamaican medicinal plant Broom Weed. Now, Broom Weed is not one of the most popular medicinal plants here in Jamaica, like Sarasi or Guinea hen weed, but still it has some really outstanding properties, and it is used in traditional medicine, not just here in Jamaica, but in other cultures as well. So we're going to be looking at its medicinal properties and how it is used in traditional medicine across various cultures. And we're going to start right away. So guys, these two plants are scientifically known as Sida Acuta, and they belong to the Malvaceae plant family. The genus is called Sida, and in Jamaica we commonly refer to them as broom weed because the stems are oftentimes used to make a homemade broom. In other parts of the world, they are also commonly known as broom weed, but they have other common names as well. For instance, there is mallow, common broom, Irish broom, broom flowers, and broom tops, among other common names in different languages. But the preferred common name is Sida. So, broom weed is a long-lived herbaceous plant. It has slender stems and they are tough. It can grow to about 1 to 2 meters tall. The leaves are elongated and they have jagged edges. They also have sharply pointed tips. It's not unusual to see different size leaves on one plant, so they can be very small and they can be much bigger. The plant produces flowers that are yellow and they have 5 petals. They're usually born singly, or they can come in small clusters in the leaf forks on short stalks. These flowers tend to open for one day only in the morning, and then they wilt by late afternoon. It is widely believed that the plant originated from Central America. However, today you can find it growing all over the world, in parts of Africa, Asia, Mexico, the Caribbean, the United States, Europe, Oceania, and South America.
In Jamaica, the plant can be found growing organically and wildly all over, in backyards, along roadsides, in forests, and in other green spaces. It reproduces by seed and is usually spread by animals, clothing, and other materials. In terms of medicinal properties, it's an abortifacient, meaning that it can induce an abortion. It has anti-ulcer and anti-yeast properties. It's a diuretic, meaning that it can get rid of extra salt and fluid out of the body. It's anti-plasmodial, meaning that it can get rid of a certain type of parasite. It has antimicrobial properties, anti-ophidian, meaning that it can treat snake bites, antioxidant, hepatoprotective, meaning that it can protect the liver from damage, insecticidal, so it can help to get rid of insects, including ticks that cause Lyme disease. It also has larvicidal properties, so it can kill larval pests. Cytotoxic activities, meaning that it can kill cells, including cancer cells. It has analgesic properties, meaning that it has pain relieving properties. Hypoglycemic. It's an aphrodisiac, so it can help to stimulate sexual desire. It has antibacterial properties, so it can protect the area around open wounds from possible infections and viruses that could enter wounds. It also has febrifuge properties, so that means that it can reduce fevers. Just a quick interjection. If you are enjoying the video and you're finding value in the video, please hit that like button right now, and please drop a comment and share this video as well, so that other people can benefit from this information. If you're new here, a very warm welcome to you. If you would like to see more videos like this one in the future, then please subscribe to the channel right now, and please hit that notification bell so that you will be notified the next time we upload a video. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's get right back to the video. So guys, quite a few people from different parts of the world use this plant in their traditional medicine. And the leaves, roots, and whole plant are chiefly used. In Nigeria, they make a decoction of the fresh leaves and use it to treat malaria. They also use the whole plant to treat malaria. And in the Ivory Coast, they use the whole plant too to treat malaria. And for ulcers, breast cancer, gonorrhea, poisoning, inflammation, and cuts. Both the people in Nigeria and the Ivory Coast use the whole plant. Nigerians also make a decoction of the leaves and use it externally for wounds too. In Jamaica and Cuba, they use the whole plant to treat colic pain. In India, they use the leaf juice and mix it with coconut oil. Then they apply it on their heads to treat dandruff. And for testicular swellings and elephantiasis, the leaf juice is boiled along with coconut oil, and then it is applied to the area. The juice of fresh leaves is used to treat worms, and for vomiting and gastric disorders, the juice of fresh leaves is taken internally. For cuts, a decoction of the leaves along with neem leaves is applied externally. They also use the juice of the roots for this as well. And for boils and abscesses, they make a paste from the roots with sparrow's dung and water, and then they apply this topically. Also, a root paste is made with the roots and lemon juice and used topically to reduce fever and to help the body to pass out water and salt. They make a hot water extract of the entire plant and take it orally. For rheumatism, breathing problems, and coughs, they make a decoction of the roots. In Mexico, they use a decoction of the leaves for hair loss and for something called paneris, which is a disease of the fingernails. They make a paste from the leaves, then they mix it with salt and apply this to the area. A decoction of the leaves and twigs or of the roots is used to clean pimples as well. In New Guinea, they chew on fresh roots of the plant to treat dysentery. In Nicaragua and Guatemala, they make a decoction of the whole plant and take it internally for things like asthma, fever, pain, ulcers, worms, renal inflammation, and headaches. And in Nicaragua, they also dry the entire plant and then they make a decoction of this, which is taken orally for venereal diseases. Medical disclaimer: the information shared on Earth's Medicine is for the purpose of enlightenment. It is not to be used as a substitute for pharmaceutical medicine. If you are feeling ill or you have any health concerns, please speak to your doctor about same.